Hello and good morning. Welcome to another Temu unboxing. Kind of a little less than an unboxing. I've already unboxed it, but I'm going to go over some of the stuff I got in an order. Some things that I got were some supposed to be gold foil flakes and a couple of molds, 3 molds to be exact. Let me start out with the bad. The bad is this skeleton mold. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it is not a mold. It was advertised as a mold, but it's actually a sticker. A sticker that came rather torn up. Let me see if I can find some scissors. It came completely balled up in the packaging. You can see it's rather wrinkled. Very cool looking, but it's not what I ordered. I ordered a mold that was supposed to be kind of texturized, and I did not get what I ordered. But that's okay. It didn't cost me that much. In fact, this cost $1.69. And this was ordered. In fact, all the 4 of the items that I'm going to show you now were ordered on April 19th and received on May 1st. All right, so that's the bad. Let's get rid of that. The next thing, not really all that great again, because in the pictures they showed it to be a lot larger than it was, is these 3 fish molds. These cost $3.14. There's 3 of them. And they give the illusion that they were a lot larger than they are. They're cute, but quite tiny. There's 3 of them. Again, this was ordered on April 19th and received May 1st. And they're little koi fish molds for epoxy resin. All right, next item. Let's go. In fact, I seem to be doing all bad. This is the gold foil flakes that I ordered, which were $2.38. And as you can see, that is not gold foil flakes. That is gold and blue glitter. Not what I ordered. Not what's pictured. And I guess you can't win them all. I'll use it. I'll find something to use it with. My sister keeps telling me, more glitter, more glitter. Okay, last, I've seen a lot of people making these molds. This is a dragon egg mold. This is actually the size that it appeared to be. It's a 2-part mold, actually 3 molds that you combine into 2 parts and then combine into one. This is the dragon portion. You actually stick those together to form the dragon, baby dragon, and then you put it inside of the egg mold. And that's actually exactly what I was expecting. As far as the other 3 items, though, I did not get exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so that's order number 1. I actually received 3 orders, all on the same day, all on May 1st. So let's go on to the next one. I'm going to do them all together. I was originally going to split these up, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do them all in one video. The next item was ordered the same day on April 19th. And this was for, let's see, is it just the one? Sorry, pardon me. Yes, it's just a one for these gray silicone mats, like the blue one you see down below. It also came rather crinkled up. That's okay, they'll flatten out fine, but this is actually exactly what I was expecting. This cost $3.14. And again, it was ordered on April 19th, sorry, and received on May 1st. All right, so that's a silicone mat. Oh, the other item I ordered, already opened it out of the box, was some UV resin. So I can do small projects or small additions to regular resin projects. And with UV resin, you can actually pour it in the mold or pour it to the shape you want it, and then use a UV light on it, and it dries, hardens immediately. That is all I got with the second order. Order number 3. I ordered on, where's it at? April 21st, so 2 days later, and I also received this one on May 1st. And in that order, I received 3 items. Some more silicone mats. Another blue one. I think there's more than one in here. I think there's 2 in here. No, it looks like there's only 1. But this one is $3.48. And that's just another mat to put down to work on. I ordered another type of silicone mat. I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. Maybe. This is actually cooking mats for the kitchen. Silicone pads. They can actually be used for crafting as well. But these are going in my kitchen. Oh, let's try to keep this on camera, huh? Sorry about that. And this is a 4-piece set silicone baking mat for high temperatures. There we go. So with this, you get a round baking mat, a small square, a small rectangle, and a larger rectangle. This was $6.24 for the 4 pieces. Okay, the last item was another silicone mold for epoxy resin. And it's a flower mold that is supposed to make the resin look holographic. I don't know if you can see it, if it's showing up on camera shining. That'll come out in the resin and make that pattern. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. In fact, I might do a video on making a couple of these flowers later today. And I'll get that up on the YouTube as soon as possible. Well, that is all I got for today. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Let me know how bad my videos are. No, just kidding. No, I'm not really. And visit my SD store. There'll be a link down below for my SD store. I've got some cups and some dragons. Let's see. Do I have a dragon handy that I can show you? I do. This is one of my dragons. Kind of hard to get it into camera. There we go. That's one of the ones that I have for sale on my store. I'll have the butterfly that you see in the picture there and the seahorse up for sale soon as well. I also do custom work. If you contact me directly through my email, I'll put a link for that also. I'll do custom work cups. This is some of the work I do. So we'll see you next time. Have a good day.